Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day. I am Umukalthum Sultan Malambat, and in this video, I will be discussing to you my chosen modern technology from the modern times, the telephone. So, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. He is a teacher for the deaf at Boston University. So, in researching ways to teach the deaf, he experimented with transmitting sound via electricity. He was the first to be granted a United States patent for a device that produced clearly intelligible replication of the human voice at a second device. So this instrument was further developed by many others and became rapidly indispensable in business, government, and in household. Telephone is a telecommunication device that permits two or more users to conduct a conversation when they are too far apart to be heard directly. So it converts sound, typically and most efficiently the human voice, into electronic signals that are transmitted via cables and other communication channels to another telephone, which reproduces the sound to the receiving user. It transmits both incoming and outgoing speech signals on a single pair of wires. So a twisted pair line rejects electromagnetic interference and crosswalk better than single wire or an untwisted pair. Before the development of the electronic telephone, the term telephone was applied to other inventions, and not all early researchers of the electrical device called it telephone. So perhaps the earliest use of the word for a communication system was the telephone created by Gottfried Hoth in 1796. So Hoth proposed an alternative to the optical telegraph of Claude Schaap, in which the operators in the signaling towers would shout to each other by means of what he called speaking tubes. But would now be called a giant megaphones. So the term telephone was adopted into the vocabulary of many languages. So it is derived from the Greek words tele, which means for, and phone, which means voice. So basically, telephone means distant voice.